Start by asking you, in a state where the chief minister says Congress means Muslims, a student is given a Kalma homework, a Hindu student at that. What do you make of this?
See, this is a time probably all of us have to wake up and try to understand that if Congress is bent upon making it an Islamic institution, an Islamic country, then what are we doing? What is all our identity about? What is all our history about? What is all about culture about? What is all about Sanatan Dharma about? We make parties. Party don't make us. I am talking like a common man. I vote. So we, common man, we vote to give a party a power. If we know how to give a power to a party, we know how to snatch it away from a particular party also the power. Congress will no more, will dare to say this after 2029. Take it from me, it's my challenge.
But Madhvi Lata ji, many people are arguing that the state government is not in charge of this private school. Would you still blame the Congress for this?
I am surprised. And who is giving the private school the permission to run a school? Whoever have said that for them, let them go back and study. We know that we do respect uneducated people in politics. But we don't respect or we don't entertain people in politics who don't keep themselves updated with the constitution of this country. From who gives them government permission? Telangana state education permission, registered number. Kaun deta hai inko? They very well know that education across the country.
Are you satisfied with the action taken in this case so far, ma'am? The teacher has been, suspended. He has been laid off. Is that enough? Or do you think the silence of the chief minister, the ministers there? Yes.
No, it's not about all the way till chief minister. This issue need not be really handled by chief minister. It has to be handled by three people. First, I would say the teacher should not have been rusticated. What is the capacity of a teacher? A poor Muslim lady who has lost her job today, who is on streets, whose salary would have been made their children eat. So what did the school do? It has created an environment. It has instigated the teacher. It has supported the teacher. It has pushed the teacher. And ultimately it has removed the job of the teacher. It could not even stand up for the teacher. This is how you use poor Muslim women.
No, so Madhvi Lata ji, are you suggesting that, there is... No, 1 minute. So Madhvi Lata ji, are you suggesting that this was not an individual act, that this is part of some, concerted, coordinated effort, conspiracy, what have you? Is that what you're suggesting?
I would say this is an act of success school. Success as a school. It has framed it. Success school, you please go through the board members. Success school, go through the board of directors. Success school, understand who are there. In success school, there are Islamic studies. In success school, they teach Quran and it is part of their curriculum. But as per Indian constitution, it has to be restrained only till Islamic children or children belonging to Islam. When mahol hai, when there is an environment, they are utilizing the environment slowly to spread on to the Hindu children also.
No, Madhvi Lata ji, when you talk about mahol, you just said mahol hai and they are exploiting the mahol. Who do you blame who do you blame for this mahol? The state government, the Congress government?
Basically, I would raise my entire question on what is the MP doing there? What is the MLA doing there? सीना थान कर टोक कर बोलते हैं ना, Hindus also voted us. Who are minority in that constituency? Who are the minorities? Hindus are the minorities there. Their voting percentage is small. So today, will you not stand up for the second-class kid? Today, will you not stand up for the Hindu parents? Asaduddin को वोटों से मतलब है, हिंदुओं से मतलब नहीं. I'll stand up for the Muslim teacher. I'll stand up. She's a poor woman.
No. So tell
She
me,
has
you're
been
saying you
framed.
stand up for the Muslim teacher.
you
Are
not
you?
question the success
No.
school
When you,
for-
no, Madhvi ji, you've gone to the school to protest the expulsion of the Muslim teacher, or this act of forcing the kalma.
I wanted to go to the school. I wanted to go to the school to question the school authorities. Who's please? आपके घर में आकर कोई करते हैं, करने वाला का प्रॉब्लम है या आपका प्रॉब्लम है? If you have not given the permission, from where will the teacher do it?
So are you now
Leaving the
demanding
success
action against the school?
board.
Do you want the
Leaving
state
the
to take
successful
action against the
principal
school?
chairman. Yes. Yes, the the state should rusticate their permission as a private school. I'm telling you, first of all.
Have you heard
Not
of
letting them do business.
Madhvi Lata ji? Have you
Out of Hindu Muslim children.
right? Have you heard of other such instances in the state? Something that has come to fore today from this school, or is this an isolated act?
Not in last 2.5 years. In last 2.5 years of my political tenure, I have seen phenomenal such cases where students have been suddenly given admissions into high school who do not even look like students and whose work is just to ensure girls wear hijab, Hindu girls. They keep on, working on the psychology. I have seen many such institutions. Why for that? The same success school management itself, we told, the parents have told that this is not for the first time which is happening there. Now that they have written in a diary, as parents of a second-class kid, we have come out with all guts now to agitate
It's
on
a
this.
serious charge, Miss
Let's
Madhvi
talk
Lata.
about
It's a
this.
serious, very serious charge that you're leveling against the school and against the state government that allows such
Yes.
schools to run.
Yes.
You are suggesting that there is a culture of
Exactly.
radicalization, mafia being allowed in schools.
Perfect. I stand with your statement. It does sound very heavy, but that's the ultimate naked truth in Telangana.
Okay.
Today, your parents are worried when they send their children out.
Now, last two questions before we let you go, ma'am. What is your message to Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi and to the Chief Minister Revant Reddy?
See, my humble request to Chief Minister Revant Reddy ji is, Mr. Chief Minister, please quickly act on this. Because doesn't really matter which party rules, but once you're a Chief Minister, you're the protector of Telangana state. Under your governance, a 2-year kid, a second-class kid should not suffer. Under proper constitutional rights, they are not supposed to be put to such kind of a mental torture. A religion is an identity, and schools should be kept away from that.
But Ms. Madhvi
Please
Lata, do you expect the
rusticate
Chief Minister
the
to take a stand or take any action when he says Congress means Muslims?
How he talks is not my problem. As a common person, as a voter of Telangana, it is my basic responsibility to send my urge through you to Chief Minister.
Okay.
If he doesn't react to it, if he doesn't immediately work towards it, 2029 will show where he will be.
Okay,
How does
Ms.
it
Madhvi
matter?
Lata, my final
And what
question
is
to you is
Assaduddin
this.
doing?
On what grounds have you been detained? I can see a lot of police presence around you. Can you count the number of police officials? What are they telling you? Why have they detained you?
There are 2 vans basically. Maybe there are a dozen of policemen around. They have detained me all the way from the airport, from the Aero Bridge itself. They think that, the moment I go to success school, I am going to ensure that the entire concept of what has been framed will be very made clear there at that moment. And the success school will come out. And the entire management will be thrown onto the streets for whatever they have done. So they do not want this kind of a support to be given to truth. So they've detained me. But even if they detain, today media is so powerful. It exactly knows how to take the truth to the common man.
Well, let's see what happens in
nobody
this
can
case,
stop
ma'am,
no
because, we're talking about the larger mindset at play here. And whether or not the Chief Minister takes cognizance, it'll be interesting to see what he says and when he breaks his silence. Thank you for speaking to Times Now, Ms. Madhvi Lata. Swati, you heard from BJP leader Ms. Madhvi Lata. She believes that this is not an isolated act or an incident, that this is part of a, well thought out conspiracy. And this is a plot against Hindu students. Her words, not mine.